If you're looking for reliable AC repair in Dakota County, Minnesota, Bob Boldt HVAC is an excellent choice. As a trusted HVAC contractor, we provide comprehensive air conditioning repair services throughout the area, including Eagan and other nearby communities. Our experienced technicians specialize in diagnosing and fixing AC issues quickly and efficiently, ensuring your system runs smoothly and keeps your home comfortable. Are you looking for HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. Is it worth repairing an AC unit? If your unit is relatively new and the issue is minor, such as a clogged filter or a small refrigerant leak, repairing it can be a cost-effective solution. However, if your AC unit is older, typically over 10 to 15 years, and the repairs are costly or frequent, it may be more beneficial to invest in a new, energy-efficient system. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we provide expert AC repair services and can help you evaluate your options. How do you know if your AC needs Freon? If your AC is not cooling as efficiently as it used to, it could be a sign that your system is low on Freon. Some common indicators include warm air blowing from the vents, longer cooling cycles, or the system running continuously without adequately cooling your space. For a professional diagnosis and reliable AC repair services, trust Bob Boldt HVAC. Our technicians can check your system's refrigerant levels, repair any leaks, and recharge your AC to restore optimal performance. What is your service area? Our Bob Boldt HVAC serve the following Minnesota locations: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Eagan, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, https://www.bobhvac.com/.